Natural remedy for cough and phlegm. Take a glass of water in a pan and heat it. While heating, add the following ingredients. Number 1, piece of ginger. Number 2, 1 betel leaf. Number 3, a teaspoon of pepper powder. Number 4, 10 leaves of tulsi or holy basil it's called. Heat the mixture till the water becomes half of its content. Finally, add palm sugar for sweetness. Filter this boiled mixture. Drink the solution once daily, 1 hour after food, either in the morning or in the night. Please do not drink this mixture or solution on empty stomach as it may cause gastritis for some people if you take it on empty stomach. Thank you.